So guys, I will show you how you can display your Facebook page or your YouTube channel on your website sidebar. So if you want to learn this, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I will show you how you can do it on WordPress and I will show you how you can do it on blogger.com. So I will show you in both ways. Let me show you the website I created on blogger.com. So this is the website I created on blogger.com, and this is my Facebook page that is displaying on blogger.com sidebar on my blogger.com website. So you can see this is my YouTube channel. Anyone can click on it direct to take them to my YouTube channel. And on my Facebook page, anyone can just click here like this, like. If the person is logging on their Chrome browser, if the person is logging Facebook from their Chrome browser, it will automatically give me that like directly from my website. So that is everything I need to talk about. So let me just show you how you can add this on your website. So the first thing you need to do is to go to what you need to do is to go to Chrome browser, any browser you are using, and search for Facebook for developer. Once you search for Facebook for developers, you click on it. So once you click on it, it will open this tab that you will see on the screen, because Facebook are trying to change their name, or they have changed their name, and you see everything is changing gradually. So once you land on this page, you'll be seeing login, because why you are not seeing login here on my own browser is because I have already logged into my Facebook account. So if you have not, you will see log in on this side here. So you just need to click on log in, and that is all. So once you log in, it will bring you to this tab that you will see on the screen. Let me click my app here. So if I click my app now, it will take me to the whole page of Mentor for developer, which is Facebook, you already know, and it will bring you to this page. You will see on your own, if you have not created app on Facebook, you will see nothing here. So what you need to do here, first thing you need to do is to create your app. So to create your app is very simple, very simple. So click on this section that say create app. So if I click on this section that say create app, so it will ask me for name, and it will ask me for name, and that is all. So it's going to open now. We'll create our app in a very simple way. So to create your app is very simple. You need to select the business, the type of business you are doing. You just need to select it here. Just click business, and you click on next. Just scroll down and click next. So once you click on next, it will ask you, it will ask for your Gmail address and your business name here. So you are going to enter your business name. It's optional, but you need to click here, and you click here, you enter your business name there, and that is what you need to do if you want to do that. But if you don't want to do it, it's okay. That is all else for you. So once you have entered that, you need to click on this section that say create app. You will see it here. Let me say, for example, I will select one of my business Facebook. I will click on this Facebook here, this Facebook page, and that is what is going to represent me as a business account. And here you will see that it will ask me to create the account. So because I've already created it, you will not find anything here. And yeah, so but it's asking me the name that I want to be displaying. I will just enter here. Let me say I'll enter free learner. I will just write free learner, and if I enter this free learner here, this free learner will be the name that will be displaying as the app. So if I click on create here, if I click on create, so it's going to create the Facebook page for me automatically, asking me to enter my password. So once I've entered my password, I'll click on submit. That my app will be created. So that is how you can create your Facebook app. That is how you can create your app on Facebook. So once you have done that, now we are going to move to the step where you have to collect the code of your Facebook page. So then you will go and display it on your website. So that is the step we are going to move into now. So let me show you how you can do that. So we are going to cancel and go back to the Facebook for developer homepage. So once it brings you back to this Facebook for developer homepage here, you have to click on this section that say my apps. So you click on that session, it will bring you to the home page where we landed before we started creating that app. So it will bring you back here. So what you are going to do here is very simple. You just need to come here and search for this. Just follow the instruction of what I'm saying. Let us wait for everything to open properly before we search for anything. So what we need to do here now is to search for social plugin. Search for social plugin. Search for social plugin like this and click on enter. So once you search for social plugin like that, you click on enter. So you see social plugins here. You just need to click on this one. This that says a page social plugin. This one at the bottom, not the first one, but this one, the second one here. Click on it. So once you click on it, it will now take you to the place where you are going to do the job. Just wait, it's going to open in just a second. So once you have clicked on that link, it will bring you back here. So guys, it's going to land you on this page you can see on the screen. So what you need to do is to scroll down here. So this is where you are going to do the work. So here you are going to paste your Facebook URL. So you need to go to your Facebook and collect the URL of your Facebook page. So go and copy the URL of your Facebook page. So this is my Facebook URL. So guys, this is my Facebook page you can see on the screen here. So I'm going to copy the URL. The URL will be at the top here. Every time if you're on your browser, it's always at the top. If you're on mobile, you can find it at the bottom. So mine is here because I'm using Chrome to show you this tutorial. So I'm going to copy my Facebook URL here. My Facebook page URL, I will copy and I will go back to that Facebook for developer, this session. Here I'm going to paste the URL. I'm going to paste that there. So I've pasted it, and here you can decide to leave it as timeline if you want to be displaying your timeline on your website or not. Let me go back and show you what I'm talking about. If you put timeline here on tabs, this session this will allow Facebook to display your new post, your latest post on your website at the bottom of your Facebook page. Let me show you how it will look once you enter this section that say tabs. Let me show you how it will look on your website. So as you can see on my website, this is how it look. So when I enable that session, that I will type in a tagline, which is what you will see here. If these tabs, if I put timeline here, it will display my latest post. So that is what I need to talk about here. And let me scroll down a little bit. What you can do here you can set the widget, the size you want to be displaying on your website. That is all less for you, and you can decide if you want your page to display all over, or you want to display it in a particular way, or you can do it just you can enable this because this will allow you to match with other banners you are adding to your website. So it will match with them. So yeah, that is what you can decide to show friends if you want to be showing people face on your Facebook page that you put on your website, like what you can see on the screen here. But this is all less for you. So what you can do now, how you can get the code here, is to scroll down. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You can decide here if you want to hide the cover photo, you want to use a small header and the weight, and if you want, yeah, you can decide here. So I don't know what you think, but you need to decide on this. This is not what I can say, but you need to decide on the size that you really want to. You can see what they are saying. You can use the size you can use. Minimum is 180 to 500 pixel. So that is the size of the image you can use if you want to use it, but that depends on you. But me, I just leave everything just like as you can see on the screen here, and just scroll down. And how you can get the code, you see this section that says get code. Click on get code, and once you click on get code, so it's going to pop up this. Don't use this one. You need to leave this a JavaScript SDK. Leave this one. Just go to this one that says iframe. So click on this section that says iframe, and here you are going to copy this iframe code. Copy the code. Copy everything. So once you have copied all the iframe code, then go to, let's start from blogger.com. Go to your blogger.com website. So once you're on your blogger.com website, once you are on your blogger.com website, click on this section that says layout. When you click on layout, you scroll down here, just scroll down a little bit. Scroll down, you will see this section that says sidebar right. You will see this section that says sidebar right, and you just have to scroll down and look for your Facebook page. If you have not, you can just add one. You can just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and you can scroll down to add, or you can add it from here. Just click at the top here, you can add any template here. So to add, you click here and you can add. So that depends on you. But if you have already added it and it's not working, how you can do that is to come to this section. Make sure you are on sidebar. Make sure you are on this section here, because if you are not on this section, it might go and display on your home page. So for those of you who have done that mistake, make sure you come down to this section that says sidebar right. So make sure you are on this section, sidebar right. Just scroll down, make sure you are on sidebar right. I don't want you to make mistake. Then you need to, if you have not added anyone, you can just add fresh one. You can click on this section here and you click on it. So if you click on to add it, you click on, let me say if you want to add. So it will pop up telling you to add yours. So if you have not added it, you can just add it if you have not. But if you have already added it, you just need to come to this section that says test. Click on this section that says test, blogger test. Click on it. So once you click on it, you have to add a name to it. You can call it a Facebook 2. You can call it Facebook 2 and Facebook 2. Okay, we click on save. So once we have called it Facebook 2, we click on save. What we are going to do now is to enter the content. So at the bottom here, you will see, make sure once you have saved it, you have entered it, call it Facebook 2, and you click on save. You click on it again to edit it like you want to edit it. You see at the bottom, you see content. Then you come here, you paste the code you copy from Facebook. Then you click on save. So if we go to that website now, which is Top Cash Easy, you will see that it will display. So we are going to go now to check. So as you can see now, it have display here. So you can see the Facebook page. You can see that my Facebook page is not displaying. Let me show you the first Facebook page I added before, the first one. So when you scroll down, you can see this is the first one I added. Is the one that is at the bottom. While the new one I added, I call it Facebook 2, so that you will know that this is, so that you know that this is working. So for those of you who is finding it difficult, so this is how you can add it to your website if you are finding it difficult. So that is, we have cleared this part on blogger.com. So we are going to move to WordPress to do the same thing. So on WordPress is what I'm going to show you now. So let us move to my WordPress dashboard and I will show you how you can do that on WordPress. I hope that I help you on how you can fix this situation on your Blogger website. If I really help you, please, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will really help me to grow in YouTube algorithm. So let us move to our WordPress dashboard and I will show you how you can display this same Facebook page on your WordPress account, on your WordPress website. Sorry that I say account. So on your WordPress website. So let us move to WordPress right now. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So what you need to do, you need to go to this section, go to appearance and click on widget, this section here. Once you click on appearance, you click on widget. So when it lands you on this page, once you click on appearance and widget, so you will click on this plus icon to add a test tab. So here you are going to search for test. So once you search for test, it will pop up and you drag it and put it at the side here. As you can see, main sidebar. You drag it, you leave it at the top. So once you have dragged it and leave it at the top, so this is what you are going to see. So you are going to see something like this. It will ask you to enter the test at the bottom here. So let me say, for example, if I remove this code now, to remove it, I will go to test and I will copy all the code. If I copy all the whole code, I will copy and I will remove it again. So if I click on update, if you go to my main website, you will see that it will not display again. So let us go to my main website to show you. You can see, guys, it was displaying at the top here, but as you can see now, it's not displaying anymore. You can see it was displaying at the top here, but as you can see now, it's not there anymore. So we are going to go back to add it to our website now. So this is my main website, which is WordPress. You can check it out. I blog time to time, so you can check out my blogs to see what will be useful to you. So we are going to go back and add it back so that you will see that this work. As you can see now, we are here back again. So we are going to, once you are here on this session, you can write anything you want to write to display on your website, but we don't need to do that because we don't need to write text. We want to display our Facebook page on our website sidebar. So what you need to do, once you are here on visual, you need to click on this test session. Click on the test session, and this is the session where you'll be able to add a link. You'll be able to add that iframe code you collect from Facebook for developer. Paste it here. So once you paste it here now, you click on update. So when you click on update, and if you click on visual, you will see that it will show, it will start displaying. Yeah, so you can see that it start displaying here. You can see that it's displaying here now. And so yeah, that is how you can display your Facebook page on your website. So if we go back again, go and view it on our main website now, you will see that everything is working well. So we are going to my main website now. So this is my main website. You see it's not displaying. If I refresh it now, you will see that it start displaying. So let me refresh. So as you can see, guys, so it start displaying here too. So that is how you can do this on your all website. So you can see now that everything is working in a very legitimate way. So yeah, that is how you can display your Facebook on all your website if you wish. So yeah, so I'm going to show you how you can display videos too. So if you want to display your videos at the sidebar, let me show you how you can do that. So this is my YouTube channel. For those of you who have not subscribed, please just go and subscribe and support my YouTube channel. Let me say I want to display display this my YouTube channel on this place. So on my website. So what I need to do is to come and copy one video here. So I can click on any one of the videos here. Let me show you how you can do that. Just wait in a second. So click on any video to open. Let me say this one. I will click this one to open. So now that the video have opened now, so we don't need to play, we just need to click on this section that says share. Click on this section that says share. So once you click on that section that says share, click on this section that says embed. So click on embed. So you are going to copy this embed code. Click on start and copy. You can copy the code. Just click on copy. So you have now copied the code. So we are going to my website now to display it. Let us go back to my website to display this, our YouTube channel, but below your widget. So once you are there, you need to search for custom. Search for custom HTML. Search for custom HTML and click on it. So once you click on it, it will show at the bottom here, but you need to push it to the top. Just push it to the top. Push it to the top. So once you have pushed it to the top here, you need to enter that frame, the code you copy from that YouTube video, and paste the code here. You copy from YouTube, and just paste the code here. Click on type and paste the code. Just paste the code here. So once you have pasted the code, click on update. So once you have clicked on update, now we are going to go to our main website now to refresh it and see if it's working. So we are going to go to our main website. So as you can see, it's refreshing now on our main website. We are going to see if it's working. So we are just going to be patient and wait for it to open properly. I will show you everything. So guys, you can see now that our YouTube channel now is showing at the top and our Facebook page is showing at the bottom. So that is how you can display your Facebook page and your YouTube channel on your account. So you can see now that my video is showing on my website and my Facebook page is showing too on my website. So that is how you can display your website at the sidebar of your blog. And yeah, that is everything I need to talk about on this video. I will say like this video and share it to your friends. If you find it interesting, don't forget again to click that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you on my next video, a way on how you can make money online for free. See you soon.